Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Well, not really, like it's been a week, but I'm back. Today's video, we are going to be talking about my current favorite lip tints and lipsticks and all of that. I'm not going to be talking about the ones that I've talked about in the past. So all of these that you're going to be seeing right now are my current ones and my new favorites. But keep in mind that I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTuber, so I do get sent a lot of stuff and I do buy stuff myself. I just want to let you guys know yung favorites ko before, favorites ko pa rin sila ngayon. Nadadagdagan lang sila kasi I try out a bunch of new stuff all the time. Unahin natin yung mga lipstick favorites ko, as in sobrang kong love to. Nagtanggal ako ng lipsticks na hindi ko na masyado ginagamit. And sa lahat ng lipsticks na meron ako na tinira ko sa collection ko, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Masasabi ko na ito na, pag siguro na wala yung makeup collection ko, ito yung unang-una kong bibilhin kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito ko. And these are the 3CE Style Nanda Mood Recipe Matte Lippies. They look like this. Kung nag-iba pala yung lens ko, let me know kung gusto niyo yung ganitong lens kasi ibang lens yung ginagamit ko ngayon and I love it. Ayan sila. And yung colors na pinaka-favorite ko, marami ako nito marami talaga ako. Nag-hoard ako ng mga paborito kong formulas. Pero ito yung pinaka-favorite kong shades. Yung una ko nagustuhan si Mirrorlike, 280 Mirrorlike, tapos binili ko si Muss, 115 Muss. So itong dalawa, yung pinaka-paborito kong shades. Itong si Mirrorlike, ito lang yung pink lipstick na talagang nagustuhan ko. Ang ganda niya guys, as in super ganda niya. It's perfect for everyday. This pick is of a warm undertone, so I really loved how it looked on me, and I bought Muss afterwards kasi nga nagustuhan ko. So yes, they're very similar. I just prefer Mirrorlike kasi nga it's very unique. Hindi siya yung typical na warm browns and corals sinusuot ko. For a change, I love Mirrorlike for a pink. And again, these are the only pinks that I can pull off. I love these so much. Medyo stiff siya. Medyo stiff tong lipstick ito. I have to warn you guys. If you have super dry lips, you might not like these. But you can always moisturize beforehand. Pero nang nagustuhan ko dito is yung color payoff niya. And pwede mo siyang gawing lip tint effect and pwede mo rin siyang gawing lipstick effect. You can build it up, in which I absolutely love it. It's not gonna overwhelm you with too much pigment at once, but you can build it up to get your desired pigmentation. And you can achieve this Korean blurred look with these lipsticks, and I love that. Yung color selection ng line na to is fantastic. You got like smoke rose, meron pa silang mga rose, as in sobrang, may dark red, as in sobrang trendy, and have to check this out because it's amazing. So yeah, ang ganda pa ng packaging, besh. Corresponding yung mismong color niya dun sa packaging niya, ayan. If you have fair skin tones, by Mirrorlike, and if you have light to medium skin tones, by Muss. But both of these, I absolutely love. Ito guys, excited ako kasi this is 88 pesos lang sa Daiso. Mabibili mo siya sa Daiso. This is called the Daiso Espoleur Orange Color Lip. And it looks like this. And gusto ko to i-mention sa inyo kasi this is a straight-up dupe of the Glossier Generation G. Well, not a straight-up dupe. Like, this is a very similar product to the Glossier Generation G. And that retails for like 130 pesos. This is 88 pesos. So, ang ganda nito guys, if you just really want a lip balm that has a tint. And, ito, isaswatch ko siya sa inyo. Ganyan siya. Diba, ang ganda yung color niya, as in super ganda. This is one swipe of it, and this is like built up. And it's so nice. The only thing I don't like is the scent. It kind of smells like an old lipstick smell. Pero once you get past that, this is a really pretty product. It's a really nice product you can throw in your purse if you just want like a nice tinted look. It's not super glossy for a lip balm. Meron siyang pagka-matteness. I would say this has like a natural finish. Hindi siya overly glossy to the point that you look like you have melted lips, no. But it doesn't look matte either to the point that you have dry lips. It's just in between, so I just enjoy this. And this is a discovery. Wala pa masyadong taong to talk about this product, so I figured I should mention it because it's a really good one. If you're looking for a really nice coral shade na you wanna try out, just like, you know, something na mabibili mo sa Daiso. May mga hidden gems talaga pag pumunta ka sa mga Daiso, Miniso, mga stuff like that. May mga hidden gems, and this is one of them. Ito siya. Yung Espoleur Orange Color Lip. Fresh na fresh ka talaga dito. Oh my god! Oh my god! I love these so much. Out of all the ones I'm gonna show you, this is my favorite, and I'm wearing this right now as well. So these are the Romand lip tints. These are called the Juicy Lasting Lip Tints, and I'm wearing one right now, and the shade I'm wearing is my favorite. This is the color Peach Me. I have 4 colors right here. Ito, medyo nag-hoard naman si Ate Mauvelous. I have the colors Jujube or Jujube, I don't know, Jujube, Figfig, Peach Me, and Summer Scent. So, isaswatch ko lang sa inyo para mapakita ko sila lahat. Sobrang pigmented nito guys, as in one swipe lang, makikita nyo naman, oh my god, ang ganda nila, promise. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa akin kasi you can wear it in so many different ways. From top to bottom, we have Summer Scent, and then Peach Me, which is my favorite. We have Jujube, and then Figfig. So as you can see, lahat sila MLBB, lahat sila super wearable. Yun naman talaga si Toni Sia. Hindi siya magsusuot ng mga sobrang purple, hindi siya magsusuot ng pink. Ito talaga yung MLBB, yung talagang feeling ko, every person, every skin tone can pull this off. Even this shade in Peach Me, I'm wearing it right now, and dun sa wand, it looks really light, but then once you apply it and once you let it set, it almost adjusts to your skin tone, and it just makes your lips look so plump, so beautiful, just like my lips right now. Hindi lang halatang maganda yung lips ko, pero I promise, ang ganda talaga niyan. As you can see, these have a glossy finish to them. I wouldn't say they're glossy. I would say they're like moisturizing. They have a moisturizing finish. Pero what's amazing about these is if you get like a tissue, tapos if you blot them down, ayan, magiging mas matte sila. As you can see, matatanggal yung pagka-glossy nila. And may tint pa rin na matitira. So kahit na i-wipe off mo yan, actually, may matitira pa rin. Hindi siya yung pag tinanggal mo, wala na. Kahit kumain ka pa, andito pa rin naman sila. They're very, very long-lasting. And you can wear them either glossy or matte. Itong Peach Me na shade na suot ko ngayon, I'm wearing it matte. So I blotted it down para lang hindi siya super glossy. Pero kung gusto ko or feeling ko na super dry na lips ko that day, I would leave it as a glossy finish. Yung color selection niya ang ganda. Kasi diba typically we are used to super bright reds, super bright oranges, yung mga peri-pera, iba-ibang brands. Usually, diba, anong mga colors nila? Reds, oranges, and pinks. But these ones, they have a selection na parang perfect for the Filipina skin tone, perfect for morenas even, perfect for fair skin tone, so talagang MLBB lang. And it's rare for us to find mga Korean brand lip tints that have that undertone that we love. While we're at it, meron pala akong promo when you buy 2 Romand lip tints. So pag bumili ka ng dalawang Romand lip tints sa ganito, you can choose from any of the colors they have. You will get this shade that I'm wearing in Peach Me for free. Yes, you're gonna be receiving this shade. This is my favorite color, Peach Me, and you're gonna be getting it for free pag bumalik kayo ng dalawang colors na gusto niyo. Pwedeng 2 of the same shades kung gusto niyo magka-backup, tapos marireceive itong Peach Me automatically for free if you use this link na ipapakita ko dito sa aking video and also in the description box. I-click nyo lang yung link, tapos dadalhin kayo sa page where you can buy these. And mas mura siya kasi you're getting 3 Romand lip tints for the price of 2. And mas mura siya compared to if you buy it here in the Philippines. Guys, this is highly raved by Ate Ana, Ate Anclots, Miss Purple Areas for a reason, and it's just such a great find. I love these tints. So I know that these ones have just been all the rage lately, and these are the Colourette Colourtints, and for a good reason. These are amazing. I love these so much. Actually, lately the brand Colourette has been just killing it with their products and their releases, and I've been like one of those people who are just, yes, Colourette, ang galing nyo. As in, ang galing ng Colourette, I feel like yung mga products nila, hindi yung typical na products na nire-release ng local brands. Like these ones. These are, again, the Colourtints, and you can use these both on your cheeks and lips. Now, the problem that I have with local brand lip tints is not all of their lip tints I find are nice on the cheeks. Most of the brands that I've tried na local, pang lips lang talaga. But ito, guys, ang bonggan to sa cheeks, ang bonggan to sa lips, and ala NARS yung effect na makukuha mo dito. Kasi I have the NARS liquid blushes. Honestly, I would go for these. Don't get me wrong, yung liquid blushes by NARS are one of my holy grail products. But those retail for like 1,800 and these retail for 250 pesos. So, a laking price difference, diba? So, yung shades na favorite ko are Zola, which is this kind of MLBB shade, of course. At saka si Ondrei, which is kind of like a brownie shade. Ito si Ondrei. Ang pigment, as in like, sa lahat na pinakita ko sa inyo, ito yung pinaka-pigmented. Guys, ang ganda niya. Pack, turn, pack. Hindi lang siya as long-lasting, I would say, as the Romand. Kasi yung Romand talaga, as in matibay siya. Siguro ito, pag kumain ka, mawawala talaga siya. Wala naman siyang residue na malilive sa lips mo, yun lang. Pero yung Romand kasi talagang, girl, ang long-lasting. Tapos ito si Zola. Pero pag pigment talaga yung gusto mo, dito ako sa Colourtints. Kuha lang ako ng konting Zola dun sa sinotch ko. Tapos pag, ayan no, look how blendable these are on the cheeks. And they have this like, I wouldn't say oily formula, but again, I would describe it as a moisturizing formula. They have a moisturizing formula that are suitable for both the lips and cheeks. And when you blend it out, it blends right into the skin and you don't look like you have a patch of blush or liquid blush, and it just looks so nice. By the way, these dry to a matte finish and a little bit goes an extremely long way. So itong maliit na tube nito na 250 pesos, it's gonna last you like months before you run out. Ako talaga, ako kasi white yung suot ko, tapos ayan, meron na siyang ano. Ang ganda pa naman itong gamit ko. Favorite ko to, tapos Ayun lang siya. By the way, ang ganda na nag-grin ko, besh. Hindi nyo kita. Last but certainly not the least are these lip balms from Jan Lauren Beauty. These are called the Lip and Cheek Balms. Just very straightforward. Lip and Cheek Balms. I have 4 colors right here. And these are so inexpensive as well. 150 pesos lang. I have the colors Naked, Hermosa, Mauvelous, and Babe. Ganda nito. Kasi pwede nga rin sila sa lips and cheeks. Although personally, hindi ko sila gagamitin sa cheeks personally kasi para sa akin kasi yung formulation nito, mas drying siya. So, mas gusto ko lang siya for the lips. Hindi naman kasi siya moisturizing. For a balm, kung gusto niyo ng moisturizing balm, dun kayo sa Daiso. Pero kung gusto niyo ng pigmented lip balm talaga, pack. Naked, Hermosa, Mauvelous, and Babe. Si Babe dito. Nakita niyo pa siya. Similarly to the 3CE ones, this can give you like a blurred lip look because it's very buildable. So, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan dito. Yung hindi ko lang siya nagustuhan kasi mabilis siyang matuyo. So, nung una, nagka-problema lang ako kasi parang nahihirapan akong kulayan yung lips ko. Pero you have to warm it up for you to get the actual pigmentation on your lips. Kasi minsan, mabilis siyang matuyo. Yun lang talaga yung problema ko. Pero for the price, 150 pesos, saan ka pa? Ang ganda talaga ng color selection. Yung favorites ko is Naked and Hermosa. But actually, all of these are so beautiful. Meron din pala siyang minty scent, which is so nice. Ang bango niya. For me, ang bango nitong lip product na to. And wala, ang ganda niya. Easy, quick to throw on in your purse. Again, if you are wanting something to touch up with, kung gusto mo lang something quick and easy after a meal. These are the perfect ones because, again, they won't break the bank. Ito yung mga na-imagine ko na ginagamit ng mga naturally pretty people. As in, alam mo yung pag sobrang ganda mo na nakailangan na ng kulay sa lips mo. Ito lang, sapat na. As in, gandang lip balm look. Parang ganun, besh. So, ito, I love these so much. And I love everything that I've talked about. But these ones are nice. So, yes, guys, those are my current favorite lip products, lip tints and lipsticks and all of that. Again, I'm gonna leave down yung Roman lip tint link ko kung gusto nyo makatipid. Kasi lahat talaga naman titipid nyo kasi nasa mga 600 pesos or 700 pesos yung tipid nyo. So, if you wanna buy those, buy through my link na lang para masipid kayo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found something informative. I'll be seeing you on my next one. If you want to keep up with what I do, please don't forget to follow my social media accounts always listed down below. Leave a comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo pang makitang videos from me and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye guys!